How what on there?
You really supposed to take care, come give me?
What you want? What else you want? Crackers. You see why I'm so overprotective of you? Oh, you for come out of the shop and gone to this youth. You not hard on the AC, but you gone outside to him. You for thinking of Tony.
Bubbles, I don't have any excuse. Make myself young and the whole of this new to me. You want to whisper do more training than me, you know? And remember, say me for concentrate for being a sleeper, running the shop. It's like, I don't know which one is which. The last time I whispered at the shop a reason, I'm telling you, but I'm just stop with the sleeper thing and focus on the shop.
Whatever decision you make, Tony, you know you have my full support. But you're in it already. And you have to always remember, you have to be alert. And you have to be aware of your surroundings. And who is around you.
My body feel weak. And it's not like a flu me catch. Why do I feel so?
Your body going in a survival mode, Tony. So with all the fight where you try fight him and the we coming for rescue you and the gunshot them and everything, your body go in a that kind of defense mode. But now that you relax, you start feel everything what did happen to you. All the tension what did in your body, because the body are relaxed now, it feel like it a collapse. That's why you feel so.
But one thing in a Bubbles, I'm never afraid. Feel like I'm a fire shot too.
Like seriously, you never afraid? None at all? No like a fear, nothing? Not even when him have the knife on your neck?
No, I just they feel vexed. Like I just thumping my face and kicking my balls. So I feel.
You're fearless, you know, little girl. Well, it can be a good and a bad thing.
Bubbles, feel like I want to stay. I don't want to come out of this. Because you see people like them there, I can take them down. You can't give me a gun.
Whoa, slow down. Remember say this is not something when me say for you long term, you know. What hear you know? I talk about give a gun. No man.
Alright, even if you don't want to give me a gun, but can do some of them special assignment they like the big man that will take a look up at me. Man will abuse woman. You can't give one of them assignment there.
I understand your enthusiasm, but you have to try not to take these things personal. Whatever we do, you have to know say you do it for your worthy cause. Alright? Plus, Mr. Mullins wants to see me. He want to talk to you based on what happened and see if you're still in high spirits.
Bubbles, please tell me. I don't want to come up. Tell me something I don't want to come up. Please.
Alright, we will talk to you. For now, finish drink your tea and eat your biscuit.